Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trace over a PDF or image in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to use old design files on your current setup session, so you can build fresh editable lines right on top of your background templates. Step 1. Set up an independent trace folder layer. The first step is to open your Layer Management row and create a separate color-coded folder just for your new trace lines so they stay separated from your background picture. Move your mouse pointer to your top toolbar row. Click on the button that says Layer Properties. Click the small icon that looks like a stack of sheets with a tiny orange star. Name it My Trace and pick a bright color like red. Double-click on your new layer row to make sure a green checkmark appears next to it, confirming it is your active drawing brush. Because if you draw your fresh lines on the same background row as your imported picture, you will not be able to separate them later. Creating a dedicated trace folder gives you an independent control switch. It ensures you can hide the background template later, leaving only your clean new lines visible on your screen canvas without any messy overlap. Step 2. Activate your software's built-in snapping tool row so your mouse pointer can lock onto the exact corners and edges of your background document automatically. Move your cursor down to the row of tiny utility icons at the very bottom right corner of your screen window. Find the small square symbol labeled Object Snap and click it so it turns blue. Click the tiny arrow next to that square icon to open the drop-down menu and make sure checkboxes are placed next to simple words like endpoint, midpoint, and intersection. Because trying to eyeball the exact corner points of a background drawing will lead to sloppy results. Turning this helper switch to blue tells the system engine to guide your mouse pointer straight to the true mathematical edges of the shape. It acts as an automatic visual alignment path, making your tracing work completely straight and simple. Step 3. Drop your tracing lines using the polyline brush. Now you need to pick up your continuous line tool and click around the borders of your background picture template to trace out your fresh layout shapes. Move your pointer to the top left toolbar, click on the tool labeled Polyline or type the letters PL into your bottom row and hit Enter. Click once on a corner of your background image and continue clicking from corner to corner. Watch a solid bright red line stretch out across your monitor view, following your mouse path and pinning itself tightly to the template shapes beneath it. Because using a continuous drawing tool binds all your corner segments into a single cohesive shape inside the computer memory card. If you use regular separate line chunks, editing your walls or shapes later will take twice as long. Tracing with this unified tool ensures your lines stay perfectly glued together in a clean row, flat against your workspace canvas. And that's it. To trace over a PDF or image in AutoCAD, you must first open your layer properties and create a new bright drawing layer. Then you look at the bottom row and turn on your Object Snap button until it turns blue to guide your mouse pointer. Next, you use the Polyline tool to click along the borders of your background shape on your screen canvas rows. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.